Okay, so we got this kind of a mesh fabric tape here. And it's adhesive on one side over here. It's adhesive on this side right here. You can see it's stuck to my hand there. And what it does is it kind of just I think it's for you just use it for, like, if you need it for dressing on a wound or an owie or something like that. So we're gonna use it. I've got a place on my thigh that is kind of a wear spot there, and I'm going to put some castor oil on it, see if I can get that to heal up here, and put a little sticky bandagey thing on it, and we'll see how that works. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. Okay, I've got this spot on my leg here, and what I'm going to do is I got some wound dressing here that I'm going to put over the top of it there, but what I'm going to do is put a little bit of castor oil on there, see if I can't get that to heal up first, or over the next, whatever, week or two. Anyway, I'm going to put this over there, and then I'm going to use my new adhesive wound tape dressing bandage stuff and just go over the top of it and hold that wound dressing in place. So this is the tape, the bandage, that's very breathable because it's mesh and it has this very easy to remove outer layer there. Sometimes you get these things and you can't hardly get the peel and stick off of the peel part of it and stuff, but this one is very easy. It's perforated all the way down. You can see that little waffle edge there and stuff. So, and what's nice about this also is that it has the grid line, so it makes it easy to cut it to the size that you need too. So put some of my new castor oil bottle that I just got here recently, just put some of that onto the little owie there, and then I'm going to put this piece of dressing over it. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna take a piece of this and just slap it over the top of that so that it'll stay in place while I'm walking around and stuff. So okay, so I cut this to length, and you can see I took 1/2 of the paper off. It's just kind of laying there in my lap right now, but I'm gonna lay this down over the top there of the dressing. Like, doing it one-handed is kind of hard because I'm holding on to the camera, but and that's just an excuse. I probably would have done it even if I hadn't had one hand in the camera. Let's see if I can pull this paper off the other half there. One-handed. Oops. Here we go. Oh, let's get that out of there. Ta-da! Well, I got that little fold in it because I was trying to do it one-handed, but now, see, when I'm walking around, it's not going to fall off or anything like that. Before, when I would put a Band-Aid on it, it would start irritating my skin around it because I did it like for several days in a row trying to get it to heal up there and stuff, and then I just stopped, and so it's been a while it's been there. But anyway, now we got this adhesive tape that's going to work really, really well, and it's very breathable because it's mesh. You can see it's very breathable around here, so it's not going to like make it all humid and hard to heal up in there. It's going to still allow air to get to it. So yeah, good stuff. Thanks for sending that.